Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're adding yet again another car to the channel that doesn't run. But this one is definitely going to be a very intriguing build, and it's going to be very exciting for all of us on the channel. So without keeping you guys in too much suspense, let me show you guys my new project. Alright guys, behind me is my 5-liter Vortec V1 supercharged Mustang Cobra swapped new edge Mustang. I know that's a lot to take on, but someone got either a Cobra swap foxbody or a foxbody that was actually a Cobra. They put a Vortec supercharger on it, or procharger, whatever you want to call it, and they took it out of that body and put it into this car. It has a Vortec V1. As far as I know, it should have GT40 heads and a cam that was specific to the Cobras, and it also has headers on it, has a nice little exhaust, and it has the transmission from the Cobra as well. This here is going to be one of those builds that I really do take my time with, so I'm not in a rush to get it on the road. I'm not in a rush to drive it, but I am in a rush to work on it. It has a lot of parts on the inside. We're gonna deal with that. This actually came from the same owner that we got the 240 with the 5.0 in, and I couldn't be more grateful to this guy for giving me these cars for a certain price that is definitely a great deal cheaper than they would naturally cost. Everyone knows a procharger, even a V1, is still a lot of money to this day, and that's where what sold me on this car. The Cobra badge didn't really sell me, but that Vortec V1 did. I always wanted a boosted car, so even when I had my Marauder, it had a turbocharger on it with the 4-valve motor in it. It felt amazing. Like the first time that me and the tuner was actually working on it, and my tranny just gave out the next day. Hurricane Dorian just came and flooded the thing. It didn't even have much chance to work on it after that. I was completely let down from it. So this is going to be the second time that we have a boosted vehicle on the channel. Third time, my bad. RIP to the OG Camaro that we had the turbocharger on to as well. But definitely we're going to take our time with this. My plans for this is super simplistic. I'm going to be getting a Harley Terminator X kit, and I'm going to put it on. This motor has been sitting for a while, so I'm going to take these injectors out. I'm going to take them to be, or at least I have an injector pulse cleaner thingy majiggy inside the shop. I'm going to clean the injectors, make sure that they're still flowing the way that they're supposed to. We're going to install the Harley Terminator X kit, but before all of that, we're going to compression test this motor. We're going to make sure it's still healthy. It does turn by hand, so that's a good sign. But I do need to make sure, spray some WD-40 down in those cylinders and compression test them. And the WD-40 is just to lubricate the rings to make sure that we don't score up the cylinder or damage the rings themselves. But I am super freaking excited for this build right here. Love it to death. This thing is gonna be an absolute animal. And yes, we're gonna go 410 gears. We're gonna drift this thing. We're gonna have absolute fun with this vehicle. This is not gonna be some build where we're just gonna build it, drive it a few times, and then sit it in a corner because it's valuable. No, we're actually gonna drive this thing the same way we drive everything else on this channel. We're gonna beat the living garbage out of it, and if it breaks, then we'll fix it. Never gonna give up on it. But for right now, this is where we're at with the new vehicle. Definitely you guys are going to be seeing this in upcoming videos, and look forward to seeing the 240 back on the road as well with the 5.0 in it. That's going to be a fairly easy build to get on the road because it's already running outside the vehicle. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the motor, what you guys think about the Vortec V1, and in general if you guys are excited for this build. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Always remember, don't drift without your dreams, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.